Hey, look, what's this story with a bloke that's on the dole? He's created a union for people on the dole. Yes, if you can believe it, and a charity as well. And the charity is an official government-sanctioned charity. We're told there's about $130,000 in the bank. It's not giving donations to people in need. I mean, most of it seems to be in a bit of a merry-go-round coming back to this bloke, or certainly expensed by the union. But how does he get charitable status? And if he's on the dole and we can see that he's not working, he's not getting out there to try and find work, throw the book at him.
Well, it's just a complete joke, really, Peter. I mean, the Treasurer needs to look at who's receiving tax deductibility status and who isn't. I know that, for example, Scripture Union Australia, who look after many chaplains in schools, that are doing great work on the ground helping kids with their mental health, had their tax deductibility stripped by the Albanese Labor government last budget, and yet you've got unions like this that are receiving tax deductibility status. A guy that hasn't worked for 8 years has been offered multiple jobs and is out there saying, you know, our public welfare system and safety net in Australia isn't as good as what it could be. The reality is when you have people advocating like this, it impacts the Australians that really need it, those people with disability, those people that are on pensions. And so any minister that gives this guy any time, or any advisor that gives him time of day, I believe he's travelled to Canberra many times, no one should be seeing this guy, and it should be called out for the joke that it is.
See why he's on the front bench now. Luke, thank you for your time. Luke Howarth there, promoted today, of course, by the opposition leader, Peter Dutton. Nicole Flint, great to have your company as always.